So problem 3.4, it is on the COP of heat pump. A reversible heat pump is used for heating a building in the winter season. So what is the purpose of the heat pump? To heat the building. Heat is absorbed from the earth by a fluid circulating in buried pipes and delivered to the building, maintains the temperature at 23 degrees Celsius. So this is nothing but temperature of building to be maintained. Determine the amount of heat supplied to the building if, this is if, 1 kilowatt hour of electrical energy is needed to operate the heat pump. The soil temperature may be taken as 0 degrees Celsius. Okay. So here once again very vital information is given to you. Reversible heat pump. Quite well. So let us first draw the schematic of this problem. So there is a heat pump. It is supplying heat to the heated space and it is rejecting heat from the sink. So this is nothing but reversible heat pump. Now what is this source and what is this sink as mentioned in the problem? So I will clarify. Here what will be the source actually? Heated building is going to be source and its temperature is to be maintained at 23 degrees Celsius. And what will be the sink here? Earth soil or earth surface is going to be sink and the 0 degree Celsius temperature of soil earth is nothing but sink temperature. And also it is given to you, the given pump is reversible heat pump. Okay. Very vital information. Now what will be T1 here? T1 here is nothing but temperature of the heated building, 23 degrees Celsius. So it will be 300 Kelvin. What will be T2 here? It is nothing but sink temperature and soil, earth soil is sink here. So this will be T2, that is 273 Kelvin. Now here heat supply to the building if 1 kilowatt hour of electrical energy is needed. So this 1 kilowatt hour of electrical energy needed is nothing but work input to this pump, 1 kilowatt hour. If I will convert this into kilojoule per second into hour is nothing but 3600 second. Second will get cancelled. So work input to this reversible heat pump is nothing but 3600 kilojoule. Okay. So these are the informations given to you. Okay. Heated building will be the source and this heat pump is supplying heat to this heated space. And earth surface is sink. Heat pump is removing heat from this low temperature body, that is earth surface, consuming work input and supplying heat to the heated building. So these are the things given to you. What you are supposed to find out? Determine the amount of heat supplied to the building. So heat supplied to the building is nothing but Q1. So what you are supposed to calculate it or find out? Q1. Okay. So let us do our required calculations. So once again, actual COP of heat pump is nothing but desired effect to the work input. Okay, desired input, desired effect to the work input. And in terms of heat supplied, it is Q1 minus Q2. And what is the COP of reversible or Carnot heat pump? It is nothing but in terms of temperature T1 over T1 minus T2. Let's say this is equation number 2. So we have been given both the temperatures T1 and T2. So I can calculate reversible COP of heat pump. T1 is 300 Kelvin, 300 minus 273. So Carnot COP of heat pump comes out okay. So COP of the reversible COP of reversible heat pump is nothing but 100 over 9. This is 9. Now for reversible heat pump, actual COP will be equal to Carnot or reversible COP. Got it? What is actual COP here? Q1 over W input. What is reversible COP? Just now we have calculated 100 over 19. We are supposed to calculate Q1, and what is W input? W input is nothing but 3600 kilowatt. 3600 kilojoule. So from here the value of Q1 will come out. $40,000 kilojoule. Okay. This is the heat supplied by the heat pump to the heated building. So this way you can solve this numerical.